So that's still a little down. Then we are going to Krishna's. Yeah. He is a very successful person. And lollipop. Manjot left his phone in the car.
Socialize.
Doing it live on the screen.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. This vlog is a continuation of the last one when my parents came over for a sleepover. The next few days were filled with family, friends and really good food and lots of fun moments. I hope you enjoy, so please keep watching. The day started with Kavish playing in the background. Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back. আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি খেতে নিচে ক্যাফেতে হ্যাঁ ও আমরা ক্যাফেতে নিচে খেতে যাচ্ছি it's already late and I'm hungry and the Snapbit lady is also going to come in sometime so we have to go first 1 hour 45 chalo I will come. The day was beautiful. It wasn't too hot nor was it too cold. Just the kind of weather that makes you want to spend as much time outside as possible. My mom and dad, Manjot and I started walking downstairs. The plan was basically to first go and pray to Jagannath Thakur before heading for breakfast. We entered the clubhouse to go to the temple where Jagannath Thakur had been set up. If you guys have watched my previous vlog, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Guys, just look at how beautiful Lord Jagannath and Goddess Subhadra and Lord Balaram looks. I could have just stood there admiring them all day, I swear. After doing darshan, we had some prasad and we were all set to head to the cafe for breakfast. ভিতরে ডান্স প্র্যাকটিস চলছিল I spilled Snanjal. After darshan, we were all set to head to the cafe for breakfast when we spotted a special Oriya food counter right below it. It had been put up just for your Rath Yatra celebrations that week. So once we saw the menu, changing our breakfast plans was an easy decision. আর এখানে গজা টজা আছে, এখানে ছানা পোড়া আছে, আর রসগোল্লা আর লুচি।
রসগোল্লা নেই, তরকারি নেই আর
And there's also something else. I don't know what that's called. ওখানে মেনু আছে। এখানে হবে না ওখানে? চলো। If anyone watching this is from Orissa, I really need your help. Like, I have no idea what this dish was called. I think it was made up of like fried rice balls soaked in a light curry or a gravy. It was so good that I've genuinely been thinking about it ever since. If you know what it's called and where I can find it, please leave a comment below. I would really love to have it again.
Kind of reminded me of Ramlet.
No idea.
Rajput Nagar.
Thank you.
We have Chammach ordered.
Manjot also kept saying that it reminded him of Ram Laddu that you get in Lajpat Nagar in Delhi. I can see why he said that, but this had its own unique taste and we all loved it. কি এরা? কি কি? আলু? আলু?
কিরকম?
খুব ভালো খেতে, খুব ভালো খেতে, খুবই ভালো হয়েছে। ভালো খেতে?
very nice.
Never had anything like this. No? Up next was puri, aloo sabzi and dal. It's such a classic breakfast. The second I saw it, it reminded me of the kochuri and the dal that you get outside Dakshineshwar temple. If you're from West Bengal, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. It gave me the same feeling and I was so excited to eat it. And then of course, without rasgulla or gulab jamun, everything would be incomplete. Guys, I don't even know how to explain it, but the sweets were so good. Every single bite was literally better than the last, and by this point, we were all wondering why we hadn't come here first.
टाइप का है छोटा पास्ता गजा टाइप का इसको कड़ी गजा बोलते हैं
लेकिन ये वाला डिफरेंस क्या है?
वो जीवे गजा है वो ऐसा गजा है
And you guys, the only thing missing was a bowl of rabri with this malpua. It would have been so perfect. তুমি আগে খেয়ে দেখো
Taste? You haven't tasted this. You can just like a roti, no?
not like a roti একটু ভালো খেতে আর একটা প্লেট নিয়েছি আমাদের খাওয়া হয়ে গেছে the food was amazing বলো কেরম খেলে ভালো না yeah so different
from omelette bread
yeah
exquisite
yeah
exquisite
ওই যে the rice thing was amazing so এটা
चावल बड़ा
chawal vada this will continue till like the end of this week and সকাল থেকে রাত্রির অবধি like রাত্রি 10টা অবধি so I'm তো going to come বল মঞ্জত আমরা এখন গ্রোসারি শপিং করতে এসেছি for মা বাবা because my mom and baba really like the vegetables from here Peter we are back from our little grocery run and breakfast. Now Mama and I are gonna watch vlogs and chill. I also suddenly caught a really bad cold, so we had to call someone from Snapbit to help finish the laundry and also a few chores around the house. কি হচ্ছে পোস্ত কাঁচা পোস্ত বাটা আমার বেসিক্যালি সর্দি হয়ে গেছে and I don't know why. So my comfort food is rice, butter, লঙ্কা আর অলসো পোস্ত অ্যান্ড রাইস তো আমার মা এখন ওটা বানিয়ে আমাকে খাই দিচ্ছে আই এম নট ফিলিং ওয়েল মা ওটা আলু সেদ্ধ দ্য রাইস কুকার উইথ দ্য রাইস আর খুব ভালো করে হয়ে গেছে সো ইফ ইউ গাইস ওয়ান্ট অলসো লাইক আলু সেদ্ধ ভাত করে নেবে রাইস কুকারটা গেলে হয়ে যাবে এখন গোপালকে প্যাক করছে Hey, globe. It's 7:25 and after my mom and dad reached home, my allergy had become really bad, so I had hot sip and then I started cleaning and guess what? I'm so much better now. I basically am allergic to not cleaning. So if something is not organized and clean, I start sneezing. This is my verdict. So anyway, I've cleaned the guest room. It's all nice and tidy and clean. There you go. There you go, there you go. It's also really nice weather outside. I can hear stuff going on in the clubhouse. I think it's Jagannath Puja. Some function is going on. Manjot and I did plan to go out. Kintu dekhi, like if I'll do pujo now and then if I have the energy because I'm still a little down, then we'll go. Otherwise we'll just stay and watch Gilmore Girls and sleep. The next day was much better. I woke up early as I always do and I was really looking forward to the day because it was a Saturday and that always means that we had a fun day planned with friends and followed by a proper Saturday night out. I started the day with a cup of chamomile tea. While I was sipping it, I kept hearing so much of noise outside, so I stepped into the balcony to see what was happening. And that's when I saw that Lord Jagannath Goddess Subhadra and Lord Balaram were being taken back to the temple in HSR layout. It was so nice to watch and also really sad. So Jai Jagannath. Here's to an even bigger Rath Yatra next year. I honestly can't wait.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. That background noise is we are heating up breakfast. We're having grilled chicken, beans and mashed potatoes. It's a Saturday, so I'm very excited. The week was kind of blah. So I also changed bed sheets early in the morning. A lot of stuff happening. This is the bed. I put, by the way guys, if you've seen my old vlog, you'll know this is the ballerina bedsheet that I put. It looks so cute. And Manjot and I have been watching our wedding videos, which is so special. Manjot cried. Manjot cried watching like the fairas. So I'm very happy about that. And people will be like, what a sadist. Like she's crying, she's happy because her husband's crying. Manjot is also settling this. Oh, Manjot, the chicken is bursting. Let's get the day started. I hope you enjoy, and I hope I enjoy, and I hope my husband enjoys. We have plans to go. Well, let's see. We're gonna have breakfast. Didi's gonna come. She thought that she will have to cook a lot because I was supposed to host today, but I'm not. So she doesn't have to cook, so I'm just gonna ask her to clean and then go. As soon as she leaves, we'll leave at around 1 or 1:30, and then we're gonna go somewhere. Let's see. But yeah, please keep watching. I hope you enjoy. Okay, breakfast time. Watching Gilmore Girls. I made gravy. Okay, look at my plate, guys. It looks so nice. The beans, the chicken, and the mashed potatoes with a lot of gravy. I made a whole bowl full of gravy. Okay, so now for dessert, we're gonna have peanut milk chocolate. And what is this? Oh, this is the tiramisu thing. These Manjot's colleague got from Vietnam. Oh, Philippines, sorry. From the Philippines. হ্যালো, তো এখন 2:30 বাজে। এখন আমরা বেরোচ্ছি। We are going to Krishna's. Yeah, so I don't think I told you guys, we are going to Krishna's house. I think if you watched one of my previous vlogs, I went there before. It's really far. It's in Bannerghatta, but all my friends stay in that same area. So we're going there and we're just gonna chill. We don't have any plans. We're just gonna chill and come back. But we're gonna chill for some time. So yeah, let's get going. I'm really excited.
Once we left home, it was time for the drive. You guys already know how long it usually takes from Whitefield to Bannerghatta, but I think we got lucky because there was barely any traffic that day, so we kind of reached in like 1 hour 15 minutes, which in Bangalore and by Bangalore standards is not too bad. We also crossed the Jagannath temple, which always makes me really happy. And then guess what? Out of nowhere, we actually spotted Arindam Da from Sensation. We saw his car, but since he was driving, we decided not to bother him and kept going.
Okay, so Amra, I'm 5 minutes away from Krishna's. I'm kind of hungry now. Are you hungry? Yeah, me too. We'll order something when we go there.
So we finally reached Krishna's, and Auntie, as in Krishna's mom, was also there, but she was sadly going to leave after a while because she had to go somewhere. And also the rest of the gang, friends gang basically, they were also going to join us soon.
Hi, Auntie. I thought you are not here. Krishna, do you want to tell me where you're going?
There's this idli place near Krishna's house, and so whenever I come, Krishna always gets like idli and the varas from there. They're so good, guys. If I ever get to know, I'll tell you the name. It's the best. Anyway, while Krishna was out, Manjot, me, Auntie, and Sonu Puttu, who's Krishna's dog, we were just chilling together.
Jagannath Thakur is my favorite god, so when I see Jagannath Thakur anywhere, it just feels really nice.
Oh, for 3 what is that? Yeah. For that much, that sambar is not enough.
You like it? Yeah? Look at him, he's having sambar vada.
That is not my problem. You left home and went to area.
Why are you late, you know?
Why?
Because my mother comes home late. She wants to loaf the entire day.
Yeah. Yesterday he has left at 8:30. Morning 3 o'clock he has come. गाड़ी में खड़े सुबह 11 बजे किस में? 14 के पिने वाला बैंगलोर को में.
Hi.
What?
They live out of Bangalore.
What no?
They don't live in Bangalore, na. They live in
They are
Whitefield.
living in Mandia.
They live in Whitefield.
Yeah, Whitefield is very far.
Ma, Whitefield is not Bangalore. Yeah, we find out there. You, ma,
And I'm telling him the day you
One by one, everyone started arriving. Madhu came first, and then Aarti, and then Nanda with Simon. Watching Manjot fit right in with all my college friends makes me so happy. Basically, Manjot moved to Bangalore from Delhi only after we got married. But I was always here. So moments like these, honestly, they mean so much to me.
Simon and Nanda. Hi!
Problem. Someone listened to it. They took an action for it.
I saw him.
Accountability was
If
shown.
you want to fight among peaceful friends, bring politics. Number one in
You
the.
guys have seen him in like the previous vlogs. He is like
Just right now.
he is a very successful person. He works really hard
Kind of.
and he does very well. So this is for you and for me. I'm gonna like do it like the Instagram reel style, and I'm gonna ask him a few questions so it can help whoever wants to help. Yeah, let you guys do the rest. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. But now I'm gonna ask Nan.
So I run a nightlife space, an experience brand. I used to be a very like an extrovert. I love meeting people.
ये देखो chicken kebab, chicken lollipop, biryani, অনেক কিছু এসছে খাবো আমরা.
Like you're also understanding that.
Guys, this biryani is so good.
This is the first time I'm trying here.
No? Krishna, what's the name of this place? Huh?
Biryani money. Biryani.
Oh. It's really, really nice.
Go.
In the meantime, let me tell you guys about the wildest thing that I saw at Krishna's house. He has this Coca-Cola bottle that's been sitting there for years. When I say years, it's like almost 40 years. There's a lizard inside it, like an actual lizard. Apparently, when they found it first, they took it back to the shop. The shopkeeper got really excited and wanted to keep it because he thought it would be worth a lot of money. But somehow it ended up back with Krishna, and they've just kept it ever since. Meanwhile, I was literally sitting there just wondering why nobody had thrown it away yet.
Please, I don't want to go near it. I'm very anxiety.
Bro, the coke, it will have dissolved in the coke.
No, it's not.
Hello? Hi, yes.
Okay, Kish. We had the best time.
Cheers.
Thank you. Seriously, now you come that side, you haven't come home. Joy Jagannath. Say Joy Jagannath.
Joy.
Bye, Baba. Bye, Shonu Puju. Hello, it's 9:40 and we left Krishna's sometime back. Now we are going to meet a few other friends. We're going to this place called Kai, which is in Kids Camp. If you know, if you're from Bangalore, you probably know. It's I think on Trinity Circle or MG Road, that place, and we're just gonna go just meet a few friends and then leave. We'll just stay there for like 10-20 minutes and leave because we are exhausted. We weren't supposed to go there, but because all of our friends are like, please come, so we are going. Yeah, let's go. Let's see how it's like, and then I'm really ready to go back home. I still have to do like my evening puja, then I have to take off my makeup and sleep. And tomorrow is there's a lunch in our society. It's for it's because of Jagannath Puja, so that's there tomorrow. So yeah, and I also have a lot of editing to do tomorrow. But today was a lovely day. Did you have fun, babe?
Yeah?
Still going on.
Still going on, yeah. Anyway, we've reached Sarovar Portico, so not very far from Koramangala. So I think we'll be there in like 20 minutes. Gang is here too now. We're basically waiting because Manjot left his phone in the car. Oh, it's here now, finally. Chalo.
I just came very long back.
Let's go.
It's gonna be really cold outside.
Yeah.
Now I have to socialize.
This was my first time at Kai, and since it was Nanda's event, I knew it was going to be good. The place looked really nice. We headed upstairs, basically on the rooftop, where everything was happening. And let me tell you guys, the DJ playing that night absolutely nailed it.
It feels like your old house.
Yeah.
The Soman Y2K party, doing it live on the screens. We want you to sing it.
I'm waiting for it. It's 11 o'clock. Are you tired? Yeah? Ready to go back home after do pujo and then take off my makeup and then sleep. Hopefully. Let's see.
Chalo. Okay, so এখন বাজে 11:45 and we are almost home. We're just gonna enter the society. I'm like, today was bomb. It was amazing. I don't know how much I was able to capture on the vlog, but I had an amazing time, and so did my husband Manjot, right? Yeah. So, but tomorrow is also a very nice day. You guys will see. Okay, hi guys. So I'm back home. I'm just gonna go sleep, but before that, I'm gonna take off my makeup. And I thought, why not show you like my 3 easy steps that I take to remove my makeup. I just use 3 products, and they're very simple and they're very easy, and they actually take off everything. Okay, so the first product is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I've been using this for years and it's perfect. It's you need a very tiny quantity and it takes off literally, it melts away all the makeup. So just that much, and then I warm it up. It melts in my palm, and then I just rub it on my face, and I'm gonna look like really scary right now. Okay, so my face is dripping with water. I've washed my face. Next step, I have a bigger one, but this is the travel one that I use. So this is the Cetaphil Dry to Normal Skin face wash. This is what I'm going to use and wash my face. I have kind of dry skin, so I only use this, and this suits me, and I've been using it for years, so it's really good. I highly recommend. Okay, and finally the last step is I use a toner. This is the Clinique toner. It's a clarifying lotion too, and I use this maybe every alternate day once. It does have alcohol in it, so it's not suitable for everyone. You can try it out though. It's my favorite. Last but not the least, the final step is my moisturizer. I use Nevlon. I had really bad allergies right before I got married, and my doctor asked me to use this. This is a very nice medicated cream. So if you do want to use it, I think you need prescription, but you can ask your dermatologist if you can use this. Don't use it without. But this is amazing for me, and it really works, and my skin is like
baby soft. Done. My skin is like all nice and clear and is finally breathing after taking off all that makeup. I feel like I can breathe. My skin can breathe. This is like my favorite part where I know my makeup is off, I'm all changed and I'm ready to go to bed. I'm so excited to finally sleep. I slept for 4 hours last night and I know that's the most important part of skincare, so don't come at me in the comments. Every single day, no matter what time I go to bed, I wake up at like 5 or 6. I don't need an alarm, and I know that sounds good. Sounds like, oh, I'm so disciplined, but it's torture because sometimes I cannot sleep on time and then I end up sleeping really late. So I want to get at least 6 hours of sleep, but I just wake up automatically the moment it's 5 or 6 max. I think I'm gonna call it a night now, but let me know if you enjoyed this little vlog and also my little skincare routine before I go to bed. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It really means more than you guys know. So please subscribe. But yeah, I'm gonna go sleep now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.
That's it for today's vlog. The next one is going to be really fun because I spent the next few days with Orpidi from Inside Out and I can't wait to share all of it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you very soon in the next one.